Okay, I got that. Now I'll just pop it down a little bit, and that's just underneath the lighting when you turn the screw on the back, as per Brett. It's a notification. Nothing happening there, Brett. Not even sure if it's working properly. It's a bit lower now. Do I take the shorting bit off the back of it? I'll just pop this out. I know this is wrong, but no. Okay, so I've adjusted it a little bit under the halfway. Do I take the light off? But I don't see that that's actually sending any data out when I've plugged it in. It's only just sitting there. So, not sure what I'm doing wrong. If you'd like, please give me your email, or could we just have a chat direct? And this is going to sort it out, I'd say. Okay, thanks Brett for all your help, and yeah, I'll keep playing with it, but I don't think I'm going to get anywhere with it. Okay, I have only got it charging off the USB connector at the moment, but I don't think that would cause any grief. So yeah, I don't know what to do.